Hey guys, what's good? I hope you guys have an awesome one. My name's Shane Pedersen, as you guys would know, and I like to make videos just for you. So today we're actually going to be doing something a little bit different. We're actually going to be installing this LED strip in the boot. The reason being is because it's bugger all light in there. Okay, so that's the puny little light that they've given us in the Mark II focuses, and yeah, and as you can see I've upgraded it to an LED and it's still not bright enough. I'm going to mount mine probably along here, just nicely along there, or even up here, I'm not too sure. Okay, so first I need to check which one is drawing the voltage and which one's not. So got me cheap ass fucking multimeter right here, and let's click this over to volts. Okay, so I'm just going to be putting the little connector probes in here, and it should draw a little bit more than 12 volts. So as you can see right now, it is the orange and blue wire which is the positive, and the black and blue wire is the negative. So I'm just checking how good it works, and yeah, she works good, mate. Bloody, she's a nice blue light. Let's slap her in. Alright, so the things that you'll need for this install are some wire. So I've got red and black, the LED strip, a multimeter. I'm using some connectors so it's a lot easier to undo and do, and something to cut it, of course. Oh, and also some Torx bits so you can route the wire underneath the trim. Also, you need some electrical tape. So let's just crack onto this. Okay, so what you want to do is you just want to grab your T25 Torx bit and then just undo a couple of bolts. So there's one there that just pops open like that, just enough so you can just grab this down there like that. You don't need it any more than that. And then this piece here just pops off like this, and also there is going to be another two right here, so you just need like a screwdriver of some sort to be in here and there, and also over here as well. Okay, so please disregard these two here, they aren't the screws to hold this in. So what you'll find is there's four little clips right along here that look like this. So you just pull that out, and then you just pull the rubber trim out a little bit, and then you just pop it open like this. You'll hear the little bit of a click like that, and there's one more right here. It should be. There we go. So that's nice and free enough so I can slip the cable down and under, and then now I need to undo this one. So the boot's all popped open just nice and loosely like this, and I also undid all that, like those little scuff panels as well. So I'm nearly done. I tucked all the wire down along here, and it's going to come up underneath there. It's going to be laying under there somewhere. Okay, so that's them nice and bright, and then that's that puny little thing that I was talking about. Now I just need to tape these connectors up, and Bob is your uncle. Alright, so that's where it's going to stay. I've mounted it along there, as you can see. She turns out alright. I'll shoot a little clip of it when it's nice and dark so you can see how bright this light is. That light there was only $6 at Super Cheap, and it's a lot better than that hunk of junk that was like, I think it was like 30 cents, but $6 rather than 30 cents. Later down the track I'm going to be mounting another one along here so it can match the same brightness, have the same amount of awesomeness. But yeah, it's a win. It's a win. This is the first look. Oh, that's heaps better. heaps better. So I'll move this box out of the way. There we go. That's a lot better. This is what it looks like when yeah, when you have an aftermarket LED bulb. You can't see anything at all. And now that's a night and day difference. I have to do another one over here to make it look even. Man, that's awesome. I'm actually really stoked in how this turned out. Like, it's just crazy. Alright guys, so this is where I'm going to leave today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, because when I hit 1,000 subscribers, this Arab beard's getting chopped off, mate. So yeah, make sure you do that and stick around for more focus related content. But yeah, so it's a pretty easy install to do. It only took me a few hours to do because I was taking my time, didn't want to rush it, and yeah, so give yourself a little bit of a challenge and do it yourself. It's not even a challenge. I'd rate it like maybe a 1 out of 10, like not even that. If I had to rate anything, I'd rate it 1 out of 10. But yeah, so do all that fun jazz, and I will catch you guys in the next one. So stay fresh, stay clean, and I'll see you guys in the next scene. Yeah, yeet.
What's up, my friends?